I used to put my faith in vitamin C, but it wasn't enough.
What?
Now, I take Conzace.
A multivitamin that activates more immunity cells, helping fight germs and viruses better than vitamin C.
I won't let anything stop me.
Upgrade your immunity. Choose Conzace.
Hello everyone, I'm Risa Diaz and welcome to Spin Sideline Series. Joining me in this very special episode is Spin.ph sports correspondent Snow Badwa.
Hi Risa, pleasure to have you to have me in the show. Thank you so much for inviting me.
Thank you for joining us.
Naman.
Alam mo ba, special tong show natin na to dahil kasama natin miyembro po ng Gilas Pilipinas, a source of pride for us Filipinos. We have with us Japet Aguilar. We also have with us Gabe Norwood. Kasama rin syempre natin si Mark Pingris at syempre, The Blur, Jason Castro.
Pero ito lahat ito sumali sa Gilas ito eh, no? Lahat ito nakapaglaro sa national. Sino sa inyo yung sakitin?
Our FIBA qualifier 2009 with Coach Yang.
Right.
Nilagnat ako sa China.
From the food.
Yeah. So yun, na-miss ko dalawang game.
Parang mahirap din yung kunyari, masama pakiramdam mo. Parang yung sa isip mo, alam mo yung gagawin eh. Diba? Your mind's telling you this, pero yung katawan mo won't follow kasi hindi kaya, diba?
Nararanasan din talaga namin.
I mean, I try to leave my stress of basketball on the court. Try not to bring it home with me. I have enough responsibilities off the court to worry about in terms of, you know, raising my two boys, being a father. With that, you know, I try to just really manage as much stress as I can. Luckily enough, I have a great wife, great kids. You don't add too much to that. And, you know, when those times do occur, you know, get your rest, go outside, take a walk sometimes, and come back ready to attack.
Totoo rin yun, yung problema, kailangan hindi mo na talaga dalhin sa bahay yan eh. Kasi for me, na-try ko na kasi yun eh, sa daddy. Mag-usap kayo, kamusta ka, what happened, anong ginawa nyo, tanungin mo sila. Yung mga bata, tanungin mo, kamusta yung pag-aaral. So, nandun pa rin yung family bonding yung dali yung problema.
Tinitignan ko pa lang si Mark, mukhang hindi siya stress. Kasi, kumbaga sa babae, blooming na blooming.
Kasi, dinadaan sa biro problema.
Ang sarap ang sarap kasi magmahal ng wife ko eh. Alam mo yun, ang sarap mag-alaga.
Of course.
Yung mga relatives ko at saka yung mga pamangkin ko kasi ako yung nagpo-provide sa kanila sa mga needs nila. So, parang yun yung pinakatulong ko aside from yung mom ko na nandito na rin.
Napanghuli na lang kasi ang dami rin nating manonood, even young ones, yung mga bata pa lang na nag-aspire maging professional basketball player and then hopefully mag-represent, diba, ng country natin in international tournament. What would be your advice for them?
I mean, yung may advice ko lang sa mga bata na nangarap din maging basketball player, ano lang, manalig lang sila sa Diyos tsaka mag-work hard lang sila.
I'm a big believer in iron sharpens iron. It's the people that you have around you, any aspect of life. If you have people who are pushing towards that same goal or as serious about their own specific goals, I think that brings you along with it, with them. And the group that you have with you will provide you a lot of learning lessons moving forward.
Ang lapit na ng FIBA Asia. China is just around the corner. Excited ang lahat. Tell me about, you know, the weeks building up to it.
Parang yun nga, every second count, sabi nga ni Coach Tab. Lahat ng dapat matutunan namin ngayon, hindi sa game.
Okay lang magkamali ka sa practice, tanggapin mo yan. Para pagdating sa laro, limit lang yung pagkakamali mo. Kami naman po mga players, hindi po kami naglalaro sa pangalan namin sa likod, kundi pangalan po namin dito sa dibdib, kundi Pilipinas. So, yun, kailangan namin po yung supportan.
Our prayers are right back for you. You know, we play for the country, we don't play for ourselves. As much as I love these guys, there's a bigger audience that we play for. And we all acknowledge that and embrace it, and we hope to make everyone proud.
Right, truly very inspiring. But you know, we don't have so much time kasi ensayo pa itong mga ito eh.
Oo nga, papakawalan na natin ito dahil twice a day na rin na-ensayo nitong Gilas Boys natin.
Maraming salamat para sa inyong oras and we wish you the best of luck. Asahan nyo sa dasal, sa suporta, nasa likod nyo kami. So, thank you.
Alright, thank you so much then, Risa, and of course, the boys. Thank you, Gabe, Japet, and Ping. At si Jason Castro, good luck sa inyong campaign for the
Thank you.
Philippines. At para sa ating bandila, itaas ninyo ang ating watawat when we campaign sa Changsha, China.
Stay healthy. Stay healthy, alright? For Spin Sideline Series, on behalf of Snow Badwa, ako po si Riza Diaz. I hope you enjoyed this episode. I'll see you next time.